What's the time? It's Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English time, and today we're looking at have and have got. The meaning is the same for both, but have got is more informal. We use it when we speak or when we're texting. For example, my wife and I have a house in England. My wife and I have got a house in England. I've got 2 brothers and a sister. I have 2 brothers and a sister. Do you have any money? Have you got any money? My wife has dark brown eyes and long black hair. She's got dark brown eyes and long black hair. I have brown eyes, but no hair. I've got brown eyes, but no hair. Never mind. English grammar, have and have got, easy peasy. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.